Good afternoon. This is Kelly with the vlog coming at you again for November 27th, 2021. Today in this powerful YouTube video, I was going to talk about that I'm going on YouTube full time. For about the last 6 months, I have talked about various topics from, the law of attraction, manifestation. I've given advice on how to be your greatest version and how to be successful. Well, today I was like, you know what? I'm going to make a video about this because I've been basically trying to get a job here lately and I haven't had much luck. So I woke up today and I said, you know what? That's it. Why am I going to apply for a job when I don't need one? I've been making videos kind of here lately for the last 6 months, and I've started to get somewhat serious about it, but I've also been trying to get a job, and obviously it's not going to happen. So I started thinking about everything. I started realizing, like, you know what, this is my job. Why am I going to go work somewhere when I can just work on YouTube full time? And that's my calling, and that's the way it's going to be. There's no, I've always tried to encourage people to get a job and to work hard, but when you're not getting a job, this is my job, and that's the way it's going to be. Because I didn't realize how much of a powerful YouTuber that I am. I just started figuring that out here, in the last couple of days. Because, truth being told, I went into this place called California Pizza, and I tried to apply for a job there. I went there 3 times, and then I went to all these different places in the mall and tried to get hired. So they all just basically told me what I wanted to hear. So I was like, okay, you know what? That's it. I'm not going to get a job. I'm just going to this is my job. So I said, that's it. No more. So the point in this video is, if something is not serving you, don't waste your time. Just go with what works for you. Because if you waste your energy and your time trying to get hired somewhere that they're not going to hire you, because the truth is, people around here, when they apply for a job, they'll just sit there and tell you what you want to hear. They'll tell you all this hogwash and all this, BS, and in the end, it's just a lie. But what's not a lie is when you get on here and make a YouTube video. And see, that's what I'm going to do from now on. I'm going to do this full time. It's just, that's the way it's going to be. And once you start something, you don't ever quit, You don't quit and you get it done. That's how it works. So that's where we're at. And for all the people out there that keep trying to apply for a job and they tell you all this hogwash and they want to tell you this stuff that's not true, I got news for you. Don't waste your time. Do something that you're passionate about. Do something that you love to do that makes you happy. And like for me, I love to get on here and I love to make YouTube videos because I actually love to try to inspire people and help people be their greatest version. And that's why I've made the decision today that I'm going to do this full time. If nobody wants to give me a job, you know what? I don't give a shit. And that's where we're at. Why am I going to waste my time trying to get something that I can't get when I already have the job right in front of me? All I have to do is just pick up my camera and start recording and start trying to motivate and inspire people. You got to do it. You got to get it done. You got to move forward. You got to be aggressive. And going on YouTube is the best way to do that. And sometimes you have to get on here and you have to tell the truth. Because one thing that I love to do is I love to tell the truth to people. A lot of people, when you go in the mall or you try to get a job, they're just not going to tell you the real reason why they won't hire you. So this morning I went in there and I tried again. So I said, you know what? That's it. No more. I'm not going to try to apply for any more jobs. That's it. I'm done. I don't need to do it. Why am I hesitating? Because we all want to have security. Well, the truth is, you can get security having your own YouTube channel and speaking the truth. It's not that hard. You just have to believe in yourself that you can do it. It's just you have to tell the truth. I'm not trying to sound like I'm angry here. I'm just, being truthful. I'm being honest. So I was talking about it with my wife, and she said, oh, hon, just make YouTube videos full time. If nobody wants to give you a job, just don't worry about it. And then she's like, well, at least you tried. And I said, well, yes, I did. I tried a lot. So it's not meant for me. Of course, if you go in the mall, you get a job, you get paid what you get per hour, and that gives you guaranteed money. So we all want to have that. That's part of being around here and living in this area. But my point in the video is, don't waste your time on something that's not serving you. Even if you're working in a job and it's not serving you in any way, just don't do it. You don't need it. It's just, you have to do things that you're passionate about. And a lot of people do stuff that they're not passionate about. You have to do things that you love to do, that makes you fulfilled. Because we all want to wake up every day and we want to be fulfilled and we want to feel good about what we're doing. So that's why today I just made the decision, I'm just going to do this full time. And there's nothing that's going to stop me doing it. So you have to do that. And that's the way it's going to be. But of course, some people that, if you get a job, good for you. I'm very happy for you. I'm very lucky. And in a while back, I made a video about saying that if you work a job and it's not serving you, just don't do it, and that's where we're at. So that's what I wanted to say in today's video, that I'm going to do this full time, and that's where we're at. I just wanted to share that with you all today. I hope you all have a great Saturday, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.